Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this additional of the newspaper of Thursday, April the 28th, 2022. Yes. Yeah, two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and the Killer Sudoku. Yes, but it's time for the Tectonic. We have a lot of puzzles to do because got the flu and couldn't do 2 days. It's actually today Saturday. Anyway, I'm a little bit behind. I know. This Tectonic will be number 4475. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars, alright? So let's get started. Okay. Yeah. Let me position the camera. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. No. Quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes. Well. Here we have a quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, construction or structures. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. Alright. We have here this shape. And when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shapes here. Here. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. And this one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. 3 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Oh, here, another one, overlooked. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Mirrored, yes. Okay. Here we have an L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1 shape. L shape. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Yes, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Also 1 of this kind of shape. T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Alright, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4 out of 6. Yes. Maximum 6 figures that you need to recognize, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then let me see, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, we already have a 1 there. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. This is also a 1. Okay. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1. This box is connected with that box. And I've told you, this box cannot be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So these 3 boxes cannot be 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay, 3 and a 5. Let me think. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 2. Alright, 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this quadra area for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. Those two boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place a 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here. So 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 5. 3. No. 3 and the 4. Correction. 3 and the 4. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Alright. Then this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me go up. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Okay. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 3. Sorry, we have 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Now, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. Then 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box can also not be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? It's in the same area. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this W area for numbers 1 and 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5. It goes there, finish in 16 minutes. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Killer Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.